by far one of the most beautiful wigs I have ever received. I am just in love. I am in love. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and all the information about this wig, keep watching this video. Hey Belle, thanks for tuning in. It is WIG. I'm here to bring you guys another wig review from Geeta Hair. I think this is like the third or fourth time I've worked with this company. I absolutely love their wigs. So I love to work with a brand over and over again that I actually really love. They sent me this beautiful wig. I'm going to put a picture of it on the screen for you guys here. I immediately fell in love with this wig and I really wanted to review it, so we're going to get right into it. I will have a link for it down below in the description bar. If I have a discount code, I will also put that down below for you guys as well. I don't have one right now, but if I do, I will put it down below. This is the way they sent me. I got 22 inches, 180% density. It has HD lace. Like, the lace is so clear. The knots are bleached. It has HD lace. The knots are bleached. It has combs, adjustable straps, and then the adjustable straps have like the gripper on there so that it won't slip. It stays in place. The hair is nice and full. The curls are luscious and beautiful. And then the lace, it is like pre-cut. I want to cut mine a little bit more, but it is pre-cut if you don't want to cut it. But that HD lace, you can see right through it. It's so clear. It's so beautiful. We're going to go ahead and install her. It's going to be quick and easy. I'm just going to put some foundation on her because like right now it's sort of like a white gray color. So I'm going to put some foundation on her so it matches my skin color. And I'm just going to use some hairspray to glue her down. This is the Glam Force spray from Got To Be Glued. Or Got To Be. Yeah, let's get into it. I put one layer down first and let it dry, and I'll pick out another one. I didn't say that, but I have like the 5x7 lace. So you can get a full lace wig if you want to. You guys know I don't like those. I prefer 5x7s or 5x5s, so that's what I got. Just realized I didn't show you guys what came with the wig. So you get your melting band. I don't use these anymore. I use silk scarves. You get some wig caps, your little booklet here, and then a comb and brush for your edges, which I actually need this right now because I don't have one in front of me. I love these ones because they have like their little rat tail comb thing on there, and then you get the brush and the comb.
I put some more spray on. Before I do that, I'm brush back any of these little baby hairs.
So before I tie my scarf down, let me make sure my part is even so I can start styling it while I let my lace melt.
It's my favorite color, rosy sweet, you got me lush. I look good, but you look better on me, don't ya? Your touch, baby, so soft, on my skin like perfume, falling deeper in your kiss and it's a bliss. Honey candy, shine.
Okay, so we're gonna be using some water, some rosemary. This is from Mael. This is like some styling cream. And then some mousse. I'm almost out of mousse. I did not realize that until I started to record. So we're gonna make it work. But the most important part is having this water, and this styling cream is really, really good. I want to get these ends because I really want them to be as curly as it is in the picture. That's what really made me fall in love with that wig, was seeing the curls on the end of the hair. So hopefully we can replicate that today. I'm also happy because I'm seeing that it is layered, and that's what I was hoping for. So using a Denman brush, I'm going to start brushing through this hair. Brush it back up here so that it falls pulled back. Okay, so first I'm going to use some of the cream.
It's my favorite color, rosy sweet, you got me lush. I look good, but you look better on me, don't ya? Your touch, baby, so soft, on my skin like perfume, falling deeper in your kiss, and it's a bliss. Honey candy, chartreuse, I'm getting warmer. Temperature rising, I'm not coming down anytime soon. Lush, yeah, you're making me hush. Yeah, you're making me hush, hush. Cover me in lilac, no, I like that, so nice, yeah. One look, give me butterflies. Lush, it's my favorite color, rosy sweet, you got me lush. I look good, but you look better on me, don't ya? Your touch, baby, so soft, on my skin like perfume, falling deeper in your kiss, and it's a bliss. Honey candy, chartreuse, I'm getting warmer. Temperature rising, I'm not coming down anytime soon. Lush, yeah, you're making me hush.
This wig is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I didn't have to do any cutting. It's already layered for me, so it gives me that nice little rounded look. It is just so beautiful. The curls are so juicy. Okay, so it fits great on my head. I don't know what to say. I just love it. I love it. Like, it's comfortable. It's beautiful. The curls are incredible. Just, I don't know. I love Geeta Hair. I love them. Like, every wig they send me is just fire. Fire, fire, fire. Look how full she is. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Go check out Geeta Hair. Even if this is not your style, like I said, I've done 3 different reviews for them. So even if this is not your style, they have a ton of different options on the site. So go check them out. Very affordable. Shipping is super duper fast. I think it took like a week, maybe even less than a week to get my wig. So fast shipping, great quality hair, great customer service, no complaints. Absolutely no complaints. And I'm just so glad when you get a product and it looked like the picture, you know what I'm saying? So go check them out. Any questions, let me know down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Bye bye.